I've got lots of new street portraits to show you today. I took more portraits over this 3-day period of time than I think I ever have in such a short space. My name's Paul Reed. Welcome to the channel. One of the things that I try to do is get people on my workshops to push past a candid moment and actually ask for a portrait. Now, I can't tell people to do that if I'm not actually doing it myself. Even on workshops, I need to be doing that. Now, here's what I will say. Connecting with people, it's everything. That's how the portraits that I'm going to show you, that's how they've actually even happened. And don't forget, a no may just be a no for now. That certainly was the case with this girl that I'd approached maybe like 4 months ago or something. And she was in a rush. She just couldn't pose for the portrait at that time. Now, I kept in touch with that girl, and then I actually asked her if she was willing to meet me in London and get some portraits taken, not just by me, but also the people that are on my workshop as well. And she turned up, and I got some absolutely fabulous portraits of her, and so did the other people on the workshop. Something else that I wanted to tell you, there's a gentleman called Brian who I had asked in the past to pose for a portrait, and since then, you know, we made a connection and I've taken his portrait a number of times. I've also had him on some of the workshops posing again for the other people on the workshop. Now, that connection would never have happened if I'd never actually approached him in the first place. So it's really important to make those connections. But the other thing that happened was, one of the days that I was in London, he asked if I would meet for a drink because he couldn't pose that day for me, and he was having drinks with, it's like a big gang of characters. They're just fantastic people, and he asked if I would go for a drink. Now, I arrived there and it was quite intimidating because everybody knew each other and nobody knew me except for Brian. Look, I could have just drank my coffee and just went after one drink, but I pushed through that anxiety, and it was one of the best things that I've ever done because it was one of the ladies' birthdays, and I decided I'm just going to capture everything that's going on at this little party. And I did. I captured everything, and I got lots of portraits of some amazing characters. Now, I took all of these on what I think is like the unsung hero of Leica M cameras. This is a Leica M246. So yes, nothing new there from me, is I'm still shooting with monochrome only sensors. But this camera, it's so unique and unusual because it actually has a video feature on it. That's right, a rangefinder with movie, not just any movie, but monochrome movie. And just that little silver button there, you just press that down and it starts filming. And what I did was I actually filmed some little bits of movie whilst I was capturing moments during that day, and they were over the moon with, you know, because I gave them the movie, I gave them the photos, and everybody at that party was just so pleased with what I'd given them. I captured moments. So this feature, the other thing as well is the battery on this thing lasts all day. It lasts all day even when I'm shooting video and taking photos. Now, whilst I know that people who shoot with an M mount camera don't want videos, that's why they did away with that feature on any future models after this one. But for me, this is going to be a good thing because I can actually show you what I'm doing. So look, I don't even need to use the screen or anything. I can shoot movie with a rangefinder. Not only that, I can actually take photographs while the movie's happening, and that's going to be great for me because I am terrible for just not wanting other bits of gear that are, you know, all around here, or like from the hot shoe, or even maybe like an Osmo or something like that. I just don't want any of that. I don't want any of that distraction whenever I'm doing photography. So this is going to be a little bit of a game changer because I'm going to be able to start showing you what I see whenever I'm doing portraits, and I can't wait for that. Now, what I'd love to do is actually show you what I do in person, and I've got a number of workshops. I've got a number of new workshops, and I'm going to put those up on the screen now. I really want to show you where and how I shoot. I want to show you how I approach strangers. I want to show you how I light them. I just want to show you everything, and I really would love to do that in person at one of my workshops. So I'll put a link in the description, and hopefully you can book a spot, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching, everybody. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, all of that jazz. See you soon.